Hi, just a quick few tips on changing these Mark 5 Golf window regulators or door latches. There's the door latch, which always goes wrong. Fairly common problem. Just like I said, a couple of tips on maybe a best practice to stop you losing your nuts and bolts. What I do is I've got a bit of card there with the window described on it, and then as I take the bolts out, I just punch them through the card. Holds them in place because all the bolts are different lengths. Some of the bolts are different lengths, and it stops you putting them back in the wrong place and damaging your door skin. Also stops them from getting lost, kicked across the driveway or kicked across your garage. So it's just a handy way to do it. Take them out, put them in there, you know where they came from. Not a bad tip. And also secondly, if you're doing the door lock, which is this one here, then whilst you're out, why not get yourself a can of maintenance spray and just lubricate the nylon wheels and the cables. And then give them a little bit of extra life, because as we know, these cables do snap. So keep it running a bit smoother, just a little bit of preventative maintenance whilst you're in there. Comes in handy. Incidentally, just in case you were wondering, that's an airbag impact sensor. So there you go, handy little tip, might save you losing your nuts or bolts.